Yo, what's good, your boy? DoorDash tips or side hustle tutorial or food addict. Today is Sunday, 4:49 p.m. All right, NFL Sunday, you know what it is. And let's do Uber Eats first, huh? Food delivery is my favorite. Confirm vehicle. All right, just one click, log on. We don't need it to be on top. That means you're an Uber OG. See that old school Uber sign? That means you're an Uber OG. I got it in way back in the day. All right. So honestly, that's not the best order, but I live like 3 miles away from any restaurant, so it's a good start, you know. What is it, 10 for 7? Good way to start out the day. Let's go, fam. All right, it's finally beautiful once again.
Make a right turn on West Oxford Avenue using the upcoming right
77 lane. And sunny, fam. Yesterday was like 40 degrees.
Using the right lane, make a right turn on West Oxford Avenue.
Our key. I'm gonna decline. Yeah, we have to decline that one.
Just ahead, make a left turn on South Federal Boulevard.
I'm still sticking to the same philosophy as DoorDash pre-tip, man. I only do pre-tip.
Using the left lane.
If anything, you can always change the tip, you know. If the driver is super late or something like that. But yeah, I don't take non-tip orders to begin with on all 3 apps. Pre-tip or no, I'm not gonna pick it up. That's how it goes. Pulling up. Noodles and Company is our first order.
Make a right turn.
I already told you guys to pay, right? So it's a mediocre order to start out the day. I usually start out my day at my house. I don't drive to a hot zone. You know. Or you can drive to a hot zone. I don't know. I don't do zone, you know. Zones is for DoorDash drivers. Yeah, I'm a multi-apper, and currently I don't have DoorDash.
Right. Then make a right turn.
We might be back with DoorDash in a couple of minutes. You know, we'll see how it goes. But even without DoorDash, your boy's gonna be fine, man. All right, well, Noodles and Company. Yeah, the people that talk about going out of their zone, that's for DoorDash drivers. I'm a multi-apper, man. All right, let's come inside, pick up this Noodles and Company. Let's go. All right. We got Mary's order. Can we go get some gas, some Red Bull? And we'll be all right. We got a full tank of gas for $38.70. Got some Red Bull. Got some bimbo bread. Let's go. Apartment building once again, fam. Apartment's always confusing, especially when it's not exact location. We're looking for building 13. There's 15, there's 11, there's 10, so 13 is gonna be somewhere over there. And we do have a good order lined up, double stack. $19 for 11 miles, ETA 40 minutes. Should be a good one. Why do I wear the vest? I have a lot of things to put in my pockets. And you know, looks like you're working when you're wearing a vest, right? That's why I wear the vest. People always ask me. All right, let's go, fam. All right, next up is Little India. I usually get good tips from Indian restaurant. Let's look at the total again, huh? I did screenshot it. Oh, we got 1970 for 12.4. ETA is 43. ETA is give or take, you know, all depending how long the restaurant takes, how's traffic and all that, how fast you drive. Yeah, ETA is give or take, you know how it goes. But usually we get good tippers from Indian restaurant. Let's go, fam. All right, next up, Little India fam. Little India on Downing. Let's come inside. All right, first one was a smooth handoff. On to the next one.
Make a
Let's
right
go.
turn on West.
Bus that bozo. All right. After sending the bozo to the bus stop, we got a 12 for 7. Bombay Bites. Bombay. Let's go. So that double stack took me a total of like 38 minutes, you know. Faster than the ETA, expected ETA. All right, I'll grab that one. All right. We have a double stack lineup, fam. Harry's Pizza. Let's go. All right, we do have a double stack walking distance. First one is Bombay Bites, right next to a 595 Centennial, fam. We were just here yesterday. Yeah, I used to serve here for like 4 months. Serve and bartended. Yes, sir. I used to pick up at 595 too for DoorDash back in the day. 495 South Glen Mall. Let's go. Next one going to Perry's, walking distance. Here's 495 that I used to work at. Yes, sir. Got a double stack, so we got to hustle. I also come in and say hi to them. All right, going to Perry's over there. Just I don't know, 20 steps away. Let's go. Oh yeah, just another note. One thing about the Uber Eats double stack, you can't change the itinerary. You can't change the order of the 2 deliveries, you know. So you gotta go with exactly what the Uber app says. So dropping off for Rachel, and then for the second guy. And I got myself a YouTube Shorts just by picking up one order. It's coming to an iPhone near you, fam. Let's go. All right. Another smooth handoff. On our way to do some Chipotle. Okay. Let's go. We got double stack, Shake Shack, and Donatos. This Donatos is a Ghost Kitchen brand. Picking up at Papa John's. This is the one I used to work at, the Papa John's. Yeah, isn't that funny? Shake Shack, fam. Let's go. Shake Shack, and then Donatos. Let's go. Correction, fam. The Donatos Ghost Kitchen brand is at Red Robin. Yum. But it's right across from the Papa John's I used to work at on Yosemite and Arapahoe. Yep, right across from Red Robin. Yeah, I used to come here after work, watch a football game or something. Yeah, Red Robin on what is it, Arapahoe and Yosemite. All right, let's come inside, pick up some Donatos. Let's go. Red Robin, yes sir. Beautiful view of the Rockies, fam. Show you guys the sunset, huh? If you can see it. Well, I'll show you the Papa John's I used to work at. That one right there. That's the Papa John's I used to work at. Yeah, I can't really see the sunset right now. All right, let's come inside, pick it up. All right, it's ready. This one's going to an apartment. We do have the gate code. This apartment is as big as the Pentagon, fam. 500 units on in the Denver Tech Center. Yeah, I used to deliver Papa John's and Chinese to this apartment like sometimes 5 times a day. Let's go. No more. Beautiful sunset, fam. Check this out. Only with a GoPro, man. Only with a GoPro. Can't do that with an iPhone. I don't care what people say. Stabilization is top notch, fam. GoPro gang. Let's go. Next up we got falafel, whatever. It's like right next to the condo I used to live at for 8 years. Fell on DTC Tamarack. Let's go. All right. It was ready double stack. That is unbelievable. So I used to live not this one, but the one behind this one, right next to our micro center, 4400 South Quebec Street. That's where I used to live, baby. Lived there for 8 years. So this whole neighborhood brings back good old memories. Good memories, nothing bad. All right, next one's gonna be a handoff. Let's go. All right. I took a little break. Went to Walmart, buy some food for Holly, and buy some water and stuff. And here's the earnings so far for the first 3.5 hours. 96 in 3 hours 25. That is what, like 28, 29 per hour. Pretty good, fam. Awesome, didn't rush tonight, so gonna try to put in a couple more hours and see how it goes, huh? All right. Got a large shopping order, $39. ETA is 50 minutes. 8 miles, 10 miles total. Let's see if it's worth that, huh? And let's hope the tips come through, man. Large order, large shopping order. Let's go, fam. Never mind about that big shopping order. I accepted it at 10:50 p.m. Safeway closed at 11 p.m. and it was like 6 miles away. Bad move. Another rookie move by myself. Yeah, all these supermarkets have different closing times, man. Some of them close at 10, 11, 12. So we do have a Taco Bell order lined up. Let's hope they're not closed, huh? With Uber Eats, you only get $3 for a closed restaurant, you know. With DoorDash, you gotta have to pay. All right, let's go to Taco Bell. All right, fam. So I made a stupid move, made a rookie move by taking that shopping order. But you know what's not stupid? Sign up for Weibo and start investing, fam. Just use my link below in the video description. Just deposit 1 penny and get 12 free stocks. 12 free stocks by depositing just 1 penny, fam. These are all the free stocks I've been getting since I've been promoting Weibo. It's an influencer bonus, but usually you get 12 fractional shares value around $35. Please sign up for Weibo using my link below, fam. All right, fam. So even with that one big shopping order being wasted like 20 minutes, we still did 135 in 4 hours 46 minutes. Not too shabby for a Sunday night, fam. I did take like a 1 hour break, you know, to go Walmart and go home and eat dinner with my mom and stuff, you know. So yesterday was really good, fam. Had a few very good tippers from Uber Eats yesterday. And once again, thank you everybody for watching, fam. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. And all you investor and crypto and stock traders, please check out Weibo, fam. Link in the video description. Just deposit 1 penny and get 12 fractional shares. Thank you, fam. Stay safe out there. Peace.